Good afternoon. It's me again. So it's been about maybe 3-4 days, and I wanted to update you on my lettuce. The first video was about growing your own veggies, so I wanted to show you what my lettuce looked like. All right. And actually, I want to apologize because every video I noticed that I was wearing a white shirt, so I have like tons of Hanes. So today I'm wearing a red shirt. All right, so I'm gonna flip over the camera and show you. Okay, here is my lettuce, and you see how actually it grew right in the middle. So yep, that's her. And I mean, you can keep it in here, or you can plant it in your garden. And I think I'm gonna put it in my garden. So yeah, that's my lettuce, and I'll be hoping to enjoy it once it gets bigger. Thanks for watching.